Time to fat test Illuminations VillainCon Minon Clast here at Universal Studios, Florida. VillainCon Minon Clast opened in mid-2023, making it one of the newer rides here at Universal Studios. It replaced Shrek 4D, which closed in 2022. It opened with the rest of Minions Land, as the theme is you are going to a VillainCon convention. So, well, a villain convention, and that's what the queue is laid out to look like. If you're under 48 inches tall, you require a supervising companion.
The score contents will cover the vicious 6 coins, which can also help raise the score. Increases 6. Defeating them allows you to temporarily wield their legendary weapon. Please enjoy your experience at VillainCon Minon Clast.
Oh, it says lost and stolen. It's gone.
So this is the Eliminator X. We're going to get one of these when we go in. Oh good, the Bank of Evil. That's where I do all of my banking. Aren't all energy drinks evil, though? I saw. Villain fashion.
I gotta keep moving in and parent is optional. Parent is optional.
Prepare your lights for the Universal Orlando app. Navigate to the...
I was able to get it synced. You're shooting. I'm the V. I'm that pink V. Do I fully know what I'm shooting at? No.
I don't even know where I am.
Try to figure out where you're at. That's the best thing. My finger is definitely getting tired. Yeah, isolate. The main thing would be, I would say, is isolate which one yours is. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry about that. Dance to the music. I don't know. I think you maybe got hit. Oh, I think we're done. These little things are always turning slightly.
Please, watch yourself. Please, watch yourself.
Oh, look at the lounge fly. That's cool. Minion's VillainCon passes the fat test. Now, I'll tell you, I didn't completely know what was going on during a lot of that. It was hard to know what you're supposed to actually be shooting, what you get points for. But it was, you know, you're just walking along. Your fingers get tired. It's a fun little game thing, and it's very accessible. I don't know if it's wheelchair accessible, but size-wise, as long as you can stand, you're just going to stand there and move along, and it's going to move under your feet. What'd you think, Brian?
Pass.
Well, it passed the fat test, and you might want to pass on it if you're Brian.